Mastering complex sentences. Advanced usage of relative adverbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: using relative adverbs in complex sentences. It's part of our series on grammar fundamentals. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of how relative adverbs can be used to form complex sentences, thereby adding more depth and sophistication to your English communication. So, let's get started. To make sure we're all on the same page, let's do a quick recap. Relative adverbs, where, when, and why, are used to introduce relative clauses. They act as a link between two clauses, providing additional information about the noun or pronoun in the main clause. For example, do you know when the train leaves? In this sentence, when is the relative adverb, linking the two clauses and providing more information about the train. Now that we have recapped relative adverbs, let's move on to how we can use them in complex sentences. A complex sentence is a sentence with an independent clause and at least one dependent clause. The dependent clause cannot stand alone as a complete sentence, while the independent clause can. Relative adverbs often introduce these dependent clauses in complex sentences. For instance, the town, where I was born, is famous for its beautiful beaches. Here, where I was born, is the dependent clause introduced by the relative adverb, where, and the town is famous for its beautiful beaches is the independent clause. Let's dive deeper into some more elaborate examples. Can you remember the day when we first met? The reason why I'm late is because I missed the bus. In both sentences, the relative adverbs, when, and why, are introducing additional information, helping to form a complex sentence. Despite being relatively straightforward, there can be some common mistakes and misconceptions around the usage of relative adverbs. For example, in casual or spoken English, the relative adverb is often omitted, especially that. This omission, while acceptable in spoken English, is not usually recommended in formal, written English. Incorrect. The reason I'm late is because I missed the bus. Correct. The reason why I'm late is because I missed the bus. And that's a wrap. We hope you now feel confident in using relative adverbs in complex sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't shy away from constructing your own complex sentences using relative adverbs. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the power of language open new worlds for you. Until next time, happy learning!